Boozhoo, Boozhoo, Niigaanii-Animikii. Greetings, my relatives. My name is Niigaanii-Animikii Inini, and I'm Redcliffe's Language Culture Coordinator. Today we're going to talk about how to give a basic introduction of yourself in the Ojibwe language. An example of a basic introduction would be Boozhoo, Niigaanii-Animikii Inini indizhinikaaz, indoodem, indoonjibaa. What I said there was Boozhoo, greetings, Niigaanii-Animikii Inini indizhinikaaz. Niigaanii-Animikii Inini is what I am called. Indoodem. Black Bear is my clan. Indoonjibaa. Sault Ste. Marie is where I am from. When giving your name, if you want to use your English, your government name, you can also do that too. For example, Kalvin indizhinikaaz. Now, what my elders taught me is that all Anishinaabe, all Ojibwe people, are born with a clan. This is one of our gifts. So let's say you don't know your clan yet. That's okay. What you could say in your introduction is Gaawiin, mashi, ningikenimaasiin, indoodem. I don't know my clan yet. Now, some of you may come from people who don't have a clan. So if you want to say, I don't have a clan in your introduction, you could say Gaawiin, indoododemisiin. I don't have a clan. What one of my language teachers, Dr. Michael Sullivan, teaches us is, don't stay satisfied with what you know. There's plenty more you can learn in Ojibwe. But once you have your language introduction down, you can expand on it. You can also interchange words. For example, instead of Kalvin indizhinikaaz, I could say Kalvin indigu. You can also add to your introduction. For example, you could talk about where you live, where you work, your parents, your grandparents. You can seek out more eloquent ways of saying things. Our language is incredibly rich. There's a ton to learn. So thank you so very much for carrying the language forward, hey? Gigawitcher Witten, Gigwabman.